Canyoning with a lot of water in Camisa in Madeira. Sliding and jumping with us in Casa Vento. Bring your family and your friends, then you will see why we are always at Madeira, going canyoning in Camisa. Tours with a lot of fun and action. You will see and you will feel how nice it can be. 2 or 3 hours in fantastic nature, climbing, jumping, swimming, sliding, rappelling. Canyoning with a lot of water in Camisa in Madeira. Sliding and jumping with us in Casa Vento. Family and your friends, and you will see why we're always at Madeira. 2 or 3 hours in fantastic nature, climbing, jumping, swimming, sliding, rappelling. Canyoning with a lot of water in Camisa in Madeira. Sliding and jumping with us in Casa Vento. Casa Vento.